What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Mud on My Gucci by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll stomp mud into your eyeballs and then kick your face off into the universe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to need to capo up to the 1st fret. Now this is a sample from a song by Taking Back Sunday called Great Romances of the 20th Century. It's in a totally different key. It's down, I believe, 1.5 steps. So if you want to learn the original riff, you can very easily look up the guitar tab for that. It's not too hard. I've transposed it into the key that it is in the song, in the Lil Peep song, so you could play this along to the song if you'd like. As always, I did make the guitar tab for it. You can find a link to it in the video description. You can also find a link to a free capo in the video description. And if you want the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days, there's also a link for that as well. So if you want any of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're all there for you. So the song has one riff, repeats out the entire song. We're going to start with our middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, and we're going to pick that's E, D, G, D, G, D, E, D, G, D, sorry, E, D, G, D, G, D, E, D. Then move your middle finger to the 3rd fret of the A string, and you're picking very similar. It's going to be A, D, G, D, B, G, D, G. Slide your middle finger down to the 5th fret on the A string, and you're picking A, D, G, D, G, D, A, D. Very similar to the first way, except instead of the low E, you're picking the A. Finally, slide down to the 7th fret of the A string, and you're going to pick A, D, B, D, and then back to the 3rd fret, and you're picking A, D, G, D. And then that starts all over. So what I'm going to do is play through the whole thing a few times very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Also, don't forget to check the video descriptions for the free ebook, a free capo, and the guitar tab if the song had a guitar tab. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.